Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a little 3D ornament, and one is made with 4 punch outs. See if you can see down on it. This one's got 4, this one has got 5. Wish I could take credit for the idea, I can't. The lovely Karen Kilner, who did one of the product displays at my team event in September, she filled a white twig tree with these in. She used both punches actually. She used this one and the other one, which is this one, and she did them all with Delicata inks on dark colour cardstock. But actually Angelina Clark, Intertwined Designs, she's also done some as well, and she did coloured ink onto white cardstock, so do go and check out their stuff. So Angelina is Intertwined Designs and Karen is KK Card Designs. So yeah, I'm, liberating their idea. What a clever idea. So I'm going to go with this one, which is what I've done before, and show you how I put it together. And again, I'm using the Delicata inks as well, the same as Karen did. And I'm going to go with silver, because I reckon silver's going to show up on this one. Well, actually, maybe gold will. Let's have a look and see what gold does. No, I'm going to stick silver. Original plan, Sam, original plan. So I need to stamp and punch this 5 times. Hence why I got 2 pieces of cardstock out, because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to fit 5 on one. But I think I probably just about will. There we go. So 5 of those. Pop them off to one side and let's start punching them. This is a great one to do in front of the TV one evening. Just stamp loads of them and punch loads. And then score them all, because we are going to score. They're not folded. Folded gives, because our cardstock is really amazing quality, when you fold it without scoring, it creases, and scoring gives a much neater finish. There we go. So, and this ink dries really, really quickly, Okay, so you will need a steel ruler or some sort of ruler, and I'm scoring down the middle of all of them. So yeah, that ink is dry. Down the middle of the whole lot. Have I done that one? Yeah, those 2. My colours for the first 2 are black with the copper and Blackberry Bliss with silver. And this one's Cherry Cobbler that I got here. Okay, so fold them. Do burnish, it will make the difference. I'll have to go and watch Angelina's video. I haven't seen the actual video. I've seen her blog post. She's very good on social media. She does lots of stuff on social media. So it came past, I think it was Instagram actually. I suspect she's probably putting hers together the same way. I'd love to know if she does a different way actually. Okay, so I'm going to unfold one, and I'm going to get my tear and tape and put it down the centre. And then I've got my white baker's twine, and I'm just going to chop off a length. And to be fair, the length doesn't really matter, because you're going to tie it to a tree or you're going to create a loop. And this is the only time I'm going to use tear and tape, because I want it to stick down. Now I'm going to use my liquid glue. So first up, squodge on one of them. Liquid glue allows wibble room, and wibble room is ever so very terribly important. It just is. Oh, is that stuck there? Okay, so that's one. Another one there. and this allows me to line it all up. I'm eyeballing where it's getting lined up, that's fine. This is not one to do in front of the TV. Imagine if you were watching a thriller or an action movie or something and you got to a really exciting bit when you had the glue going. You'd glue yourself to your project. And then the final bit, just to marry those two up. And that is as simple as it is. How easy was that? Aren't they cute? See the silver shine? So that's cherry cobbler with red, well, cherry cobbler with red, cherry cobbler with silver, blackberry bliss with silver, you see the shine, and black with, actually I think this was gold, no, that's the copper one, and that was 4 pieces, but I prefer the 5, and they look lovely when you twist them, just lovely. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Get the lid back on the glue. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.